Discoveries in Nature, early on program. We met at the Laurentian Escarpment trails. We sang some songs together. Then we read the story, The Busy Little Squirrel. This story was about all the items that the busy little squirrel had to collect to get ready for winter. We went on a scavenger hunt and began collecting things just like the squirrel. We found a broken pumpkin, and we investigated what was inside. Along the trail, we found a scarecrow, pumpkins, leaves and twigs, and even an apple. We found a nice place in the forest to play the game Camouflage. Our little friends hid in the forest. And boy, were they ever hard to spot. We made some beautiful snow angels.
Snow angels, snow angels, we are making snow angels.
We couldn't believe our luck. We spotted the busy little squirrel himself. Thank you to our little nature discoverers for joining us today.